So today at Sunday noon, I was chilling at home, washed my hair, enjoying weekend vibes. But then I got call from my mom, who went outside, asking me to prepare lunch for 5 people. Since today is a festival day, MAKAR SANKRANTI, and guests are coming home for lunch in damn 30 minutes. So today I'm gonna make veg dum biryani in the simplest way, and since it's a complete meal itself with no compromise in hotel like taste. So let's dive into the kitchen. Technically, biryani is meant to be non-vegetarian, but veg biryani also can be equally great in taste. There are many ways to make a biryani. My way to cook is very simple. I just grab the vegetables, marinate and cook them, and towards the end हमें उसे दम देना है. So basically we have only two major steps here. Marinate the vegetables and steam the rice. And both of these steps can be done side by side in order to save the time. So put your rice for a boil. Meanwhile start preparing marinate the veggies. Since we are blessed living in tropical country like India, all the vegetables are freshly available to us for cooking. Here I am taking some of the veggies of my choice. We have carrot, beans, green peas, capsicum and flower. Let's prepare for marinade. Nevertheless, a mixture of spices including cumin, coriander, turmeric, cinnamon, cloves, bay leaves and nutmeg. Whole spices plays very important role adding flavor to your biryani. Take a saucepan or any cooking pot and start adding curd, salt, chili powder, biryani masala, turmeric, 1 spoon of kasuri methi. Then for grinding, put all your whole spices excluding some which are hard to grind. Make a fine paste and add mint leaves and grind it again. Add this mixture in saucepan. At this time you must have started getting aroma of the biryani. Too good smell. Now put all the vegetables with half a lemon. Mix it well, making sure everything is well combined. Cover and marinate for 15 minutes. About 10 to 15 minutes is good. Don't marinate this for longer than 15 minutes because they will release water and get soggy. Mix well and keep it aside. At this time, now my boiled rice is ready as well as marinated vegetables are also ready. For me, it hardly takes 20 to 25 minutes. Now it's time to turn on the flames. Be ready for tadka. Your final moment of heat is here. I chopped 2 tomatoes, 3 onions, and for authentic Indian tadka, I start from rai, curry leaves, ginger garlic paste, again some wholesome masala and some kasuri methi. Adding my marinated vegetables and steamed rice. And now the most important thing, covering the lid for dum. And it's done. You can make it in layer also, but since I was running out of time, I preferred mixing rice with vegetables all together. In addition, I have made a beetroot salad and fried some papad to make it more fun.